Hi everyone, it's Miss Benbrook here, and I wanted to show a little book to you that I found. If you're a little bit worried, or if you've just been hearing a lot about this thing called coronavirus, and just wanted to share a little bit with you about from this book that I found, and I thought it was pretty neat. So I'll get started. It says, "Hello, I am a virus, cousins with the flu and the common cold. My name is coronavirus. I love to travel and to jump from hand to say hi, high five. Have you heard about me? Yes or no? And how do you feel when you hear my name? Relaxed, confused, worried, curious, nervous, or sad? I can understand you feel whatever you feel. I would feel the same way. Sometimes adults get worried when they read the news or see me on TV. Hey, that's me. I'm a star. But I'm going to explain myself. COVID-19, so you can understand. When I come to visit, I bring difficulty breathing, fever, cough. But I don't stay with people for long, and almost everyone gets better. Just like when you get a scrape on your knee and it heals. Bye-bye. Oh, he had to leave. Don't you worry. The adults who take care of you will keep you safe. And you can fill in the blank there. And you can help. 1, by washing your hands with soap and water while singing a song. You can sing your favorite song, the happy birthday song, or the alphabet song. Number 2, by using hand sanitizer and letting it dry on your hands without moving them and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once your hands are dry, you can get back to playing. If you do all that, I will not come to visit, while the doctors work to find a vaccine that will allow me to say hi without getting you sick." The end. So, there are some different activities that you can find in this. The author of this was Manuela Molina Cruz, and she worked for Mind Heart Kids, and she wanted to create this book just to make sure that, we're not too worried about it, but we want to make sure we're being safe as well, which is why we're having to stay home and make sure we wash our hands and learn school at home and be homeschooled for a little bit. But if you ever feel worried or are nervous about anything, I want you to know I'm here. You can also find me on my Google Classroom, or your parents can email me or give me a call, and I will be there to help you. And make sure you're taking care of your emotions and your feelings too. I miss y'all and I love y'all, and I hope you enjoy it. See you later.